Tick tock, tick tock. You know what time it is? It's time for fire. That's right, fire. Come on, baby. Give me flames. Ha! Fire. Hey y'all, Bear here. Well, look here, I don't know about you. I don't know a whole lot about this TikTok stuff, but Gummy Bear does. And she came home a few months ago. She's like, I want to make TikTok pasta. I'm like, all right, what's TikTok pasta? What do you need? So we went to the grocery store, and apparently this is all the rage because the checkout lady knew what my wife was buying just by the ingredients. The checkout lady was like, you're going to make the TikTok pasta. And they were like, yes, we are. Well, today we're going to do it at camp. It's simple, it's easy, it's camp worthy. I'm going to do it today by using my no limit set like a Dutch oven. And any way that you can make yourself a camp oven, you can do this. Really and truly, you could probably saute it and do it too. It's simple ingredients: olive oil, pepper, salt, feta, basil, a small noodle, I'm using bow tie, garlic, and little tomatoes. I'm doing a fourth of the recipe for one person. Here's the recipe that I'm using. And you can do the whole recipe if you got a crowd. We need a quarter of this block of feta. And I got the tomato basil feta, which flows right in with everything else. And you know what? If you want more cheese, use it. Now I'm going to take this clove of garlic. I'm going to peel it and then leave it whole to roast in the pot. And we'll smash it up in the sauce with everything else. We need half of this pint of tomatoes. Yeah, there we go, half. Salt and pepper. Today I'm going to use my combination salt and pepper. Olive oil. And don't be shy with the olive oil. That's part of your sauce. There we go. A little foil ring to keep that off the bottom. Smash it down so my lid will go on. There we go. Dutch oven. Come on, coals, get happy. Alright, so we're going to get this Dutch oven process started. That means I'm going to need some coals for up top. Let's see how heavy that makes this. And we'll do coals up on top. Alright, so you know, I've been coming over here and rotating my pot and my lid the same way you would a Dutch oven. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab a few of these hot coals. Got a mess of shavings to get things started. That was way too hard. I'm going to have to work on my firecraft skills. New camp project. Alright. Noodles and water. Alright, about 2 minutes and we're starting to get a good simmer. That'll cook the noodles, that's all we need. While the noodles cook, let's take a look at what I've got here. Careful with the ash. Check it out, the tomatoes are starting to burst, the cheese is melting and getting a little roast, the garlic's nice and golden. Oh man, it's gonna be good. If our pasta's not saucy enough, we'll add some of that water. Let's put it all together. Alright. First thing I'm going to do is fish out that garlic. Come here, garlic. Here it is. And we're going to give him a nice We're gonna give that garlic a nice smash. Oh man, that's gonna be goodness. And then we're going in with everything else in the bowl. Cheese was trying to stick on me as it cooled a little bit. We're gonna give these tomatoes a little smash. Oh man, we got another summer pop-up shower coming. We're gonna give, it's getting dark on me, y'all. We're gonna give that feta a nice mash. And we're gonna start mixing this pasta in. And it's gonna take a minute to incorporate everything. You're just gonna have to keep working with it. Give it a little turn and mash, turn and mash. Now I'm gonna tear in my basil. Or is it basil? You tell me, is that basil or basil? Oh, the wind's picking up. Whichever it is, we're using fresh. Oh man, this stuff smells good. If I had a cutting board handy, we'd just do a quick julienne. Let's mix a little bit of that down into the pasta. But you know, it's your pasta. You do what you want and adjust as you go. It's your tick-tock clock pasta at camp, y'all. I think that's highly versatile. You can do a lot with that. You don't have to stop there. But let's dig in and give it a taste test. Fresh. A little everything. Some tomato. A little basil. There we go. I'd share. Well, if I cooked another serving, I'd share. Oh, heck yeah. I knew it was going to be good. It was good when Gummy Bear cooked it at home, and I was inspired to come do it at camp. We'll see you on the trail.